Hey guys, well here we are at the 2019 Big Tent event in Quartzsite, Arizona, and we ran into some friends. We've got Tommy and Lori from
Gratefuldaze
RV Life, Instagram and Facebook, and our mobile backpack.
Mike and Joey.
Yeah.
Check them out on Facebook,
Right on,
YouTube,
man.
Instagram, all the normals.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go inside the tent and check it out, so come along with us. Hey there, so there's tons of stuff here in this big huge tent, more things than you probably ever need, but I ran across a really cool booth, the Briggs and Stratton booth, and these guys have some pretty cool generators and new stuff for the season, so we're gonna check them out real quick.
Hi, I'm Mark from Briggs and Stratton.
And I'm Sarah. I'm in marketing with
Hi
Briggs and
Sarah,
Stratton.
Mark. So what do you guys got for us today?
Well, we got a bunch of products here. These are all inverter generators. They're great for RVing, camping, recreational use. The first on our lineup is our P2200. It's got 2200 starting watts, 1700 watts continuous. It's capable of parallel operation.
Very nice.
This is our parallel kit that you can get with it.
Oh yeah, nice. So it's got the 30 amp for the RV, right?
Yes, it does.
And then, then like a household type 30 amp. Okay, cool.
Yep, 120 volt 38.
Okay, yeah. That's nice for the RVers because they can just plug right in. Yeah,
Exactly.
That makes it nice. Cool.
The next product is our P3000. It's 2600 watts continuous, 3000 surge. This one comes with the RV adapter.
Nice.
It's got a digital display. It shows the amount of power that you're using. It has the hours of the machine, and it has maintenance reminders.
Cool.
Comes with a 12 volt outlet, also parallel capable. You can parallel a 2K with a 3K. Or two of each.
You can mix them. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Mix and match.
It's got a telescoping handle and wheels for easy maneuverability.
Nice.
Fuel gauge on top, so you can just take a glance and know how much fuel you've got.
Oh yeah. Let's see if I can get that here. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's one thing our generator doesn't have that would really be nice to have.
Our newest product is our P4500.
Okay.
This is 3,700 watts of running. It's got RV outlet right here, as well as some standard outlets, USB port. It's also equipped with our newest feature called CO Guard, so if it's run in an enclosed space, it'll automatically shut itself down.
Nice. So like a carbon monoxide detector that shuts it off.
That's right.
Wow, that's cool. Okay.
And then this is also electric start. And it's got gauges on the back here too. It's push button electric start.
Okay.
It can show you how much power you're using, how much fuel you got left, and then hours as well.
Okay, cool. So what's our average price range here across from, let's say, from beginning to the ultimate machine, right?
Sure, we're talking, and it depends on the retailer you go to, but $600, $649, all the way up to $1299.
Oh, okay.
So that's about the ballpark
Very,
that we'll
very
find.
comparable in the market,
Yeah.
I would say. Yeah.
And they're all inverters, so they're all great with fuel economy.
Right.
They're great with sound. They're all real quiet. Oh, we sell them. We got a dealer network. They're on Amazon, HomeDepot.com, Lowe's. They're all over the place.
Okay, perfect. All right. Well, thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Have fun at the Big Ten event.
All right.
Check you guys later.
We will.
Thank you.
All right, found another really cool booth here. iLiving, really cool cart that we're going to check out.
Yes.
And Jimmy here is going to run us through it. I said that right?
Yes.
Jimmy, okay.
Jimmy McCagno, yes.
McCagno, all right.
This is the i3 from iLiving. It's a travel scooter, all right? A couple of things that differentiate us in the category. The size, the fact that it folds up like this, and it's 53 pounds total weight.
Nice,
Okay.
53 pounds, that's pretty cool.
Yes, now, here's another part that makes it special. This is what it's powered by. It's a lithium-ion battery. It's a 25.2 volt, 11.6 amp hours. It's safe to fly with. You can fly with this unit.
Awesome.
It goes right here. Now, with an extra battery, you can put this in the spare. Each battery will go 14 miles on a 5-hour charge.
Wow.
This is the dial. You just switch it over to your other battery.
Oh, okay.
So when number 2 runs out, you switch it over to number 1.
Nice.
That night, you would want to charge this one up.
Right.
Plugs right here. This is where you charge it in the system. It's just a standard 3-prong plug. Just goes right here like that. And then you plug it into any wall unit.
Nice. Very nice.
It's an ADA scooter, so it's capable to fly with. You get to drive it right to the door of the plane.
And it looks good too.
Hey, thank you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Where can we go and look for these online or pick one
So
up?
I got my website right
There you
here,
go.
iLivingTravelScooters.com.
Nice.
The phone
All right.
number is on there, and if you ask to talk to me, I will help you with any service questions.
All right. And there's Jimmy. Right
Jimmy
there.
McCagno.
All right, man. Hey, Jimmy. Thanks
Thank
so
you
much.
very much.
Have fun at the show.
You as well.
See you later.
Safe travels.
All right. So you guys will never guess who we ran into here in the Big Tent, Mountaintop Adventures. Tell us a little bit about your channel, introduce yourselves.
Michael, this is Taylor. We went full-time back in May of 2018, sold everything that we owned. Now we travel full-time and do national parks all over America, and Mountaintop Adventures is our YouTube channel.
Nice, all right. Well, check these guys out, Mountaintop Adventures on
Mountaintop
YouTube.
Adventures on
And
YouTube.
you guys also do trade shows with
We do
Gants.
trade shows all over America with gadgets. We do backup cameras, security cameras, dash cameras.
Awesome.
Cool
Well,
tech.
I need a dash cam, so
I'll hook you up.
let's get this camera out of our way and let's look at dash cams.
Right on.
All right, thanks guys.
Yeah.
Well, that pretty much wraps up the 2019 RV show here in Quartzsite, Arizona. We had a blast going through the Big Tent, checking out all the vendors. Mike from Mountaintop Adventures hooked me up with a dash cam. So thanks, Mike. It works really well and we love it. Hope to see you guys out there on the road someday. Keep doing what you're doing. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Leave comments below. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new here. Click that little bell so you get notifications when we upload new videos. Again, we appreciate all you watching our channel, and our channel is growing, and we really appreciate it. We owe that all to you. So safe travels, have fun out there, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, bye. Thanks for checking out our latest video. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, click on the little bell to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thanks again.